Writing this, thinking about you on a gloomy day. Sun's up, warm out, but I'm feeling gray. I'm a mess at chilling in the background. No headphones, so I blast it out loud. I'm so out of it, what the fuck is wrong? I haven't felt this feeling in so long. Maybe I'm in love, I know this isn't it. Give me something else I can't cope with. It's not your fault, the fault is mine. I'm catching feelings and I'm seeing blind. It's getting worse, I reveal my mind. Feeling like a witness, do you have the time? I'm pushing out all the ones I love. I really like you, but I'm not in love. My arms are slipping through. Maybe what I'm saying isn't true. Touch of sarcasm, fake tone. I know what it's like in this world alone. Funny outside, smile carved in stone, but on the inside he be dead and gone. Robin Williams, no charity. When I get so low, take care of me. Take you by the hand, no longer cold, and keep it there even when we're growing old. 3005, still childish. Your smile makes me smile when I'm smileless. Sing for me, I know you do. Carissa can't even be compared to you. I'm talking rain, no shrimmer. Your eyes in the light, they shimmer. Got no type, you're the one I like. I'm thinking you're the one I wanna spend my life with. I'm insecure. What if just a chance and a not for sure? Crazy little questions run around my head. Late night songs, I should be in bed. What if tomorrow I don't wake up? You're the reason why I stay late up. Pray about you till the early dawn. Maybe send you a text about a good mom.